Hi and welcome to Active Learners Academy. So this is kahoot.com and you have to click login. The first time users have to sign up. Kahoot is free up to 10 players. You can either use it in the classroom or you can assign it like synchronous or asynchronous mode. So these are two options available. I'm a Kahoot verified educator. So I'm happy to display the badge in my academy page here, the Kahoot page here. And the first thing is that once you sign up, you will reach the home page where you have options on the tabs here: discover, library, reports, groups, and all that. Okay, whichever topic you want to play in the classroom. For example, you want to give a topic on subject-verb agreement. You just have to click. There are options, plenty of options, plenty of subjects available. So I'm clicking one random quiz. So if you can see here, it'll show the quiz and then the timer. It's like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, whichever the author has created. You can start playing the quiz directly. That is, this will be in the classroom mode where you can just click on start and it will be classic mode, or you can choose a team mode, whichever is your choice. Okay, go classic mode and then a pin will be generated. You have to share this pin with the classroom. Now, when the students are playing, they won't log in into kahoot.com. They have to log in at kahoot.it. They have to enter the game pin. And once the players join, you can give a start button. Now, in Kahoot, what happens is that if you're playing inside the classroom, the mobiles will show only 4 quadrants, which contains hidden answers. So this is ideal if you're inside the classroom. This is ideal to project it on the screen where your device will show the question with 4 options. And the students can click the right color on their mobile or the gadget they are using. If you're assigning them, then they can do it asynchronously. They can do it at home. So there they will get the question as well as the answer. Now this is for something which is already present on Kahoot. Now when talking about create something, like you're not happy with the quiz or you want to create something based on that particular day's lesson or topics which you have given in the class, then you can click on create. Okay. And these are other options available, like it's for formative assessment, clicking through the polls, you're using slide. Okay, and these are like some options available on Kahoot. I'm going for the basic option. You can create Kahoot. You can type the question here. You can create some answers. So, and you can set the timer, say 30 seconds. I have found in my experience 30 to be an ideal time when solving this multiple choice questions, because 20 will be like too short for them to read the question and answer. Once you're ready, just click add question and you can have the choice of creating a quiz type or true or false. Okay, so you can click again, type the question, click the right answer. Here also you can choose the right answer so that it is displayed and marks are computed when the students are playing it. And then if you want, you can double the points. So when you're playing the quiz, actually you will get it as double, so that students would be excited when they see. And once you're done with everything, you can just give a title saying test. And if you want to give some description about that, you can just give it. You can add pictures. So even during the quiz creation, you can add some pictures. Whichever is relevant, you can add from the gallery, or you can upload some image and take it. Okay, so once you're done, you can just click save and the quiz will automatically be saved. You can give a title here. Okay, and then I'm just exiting this. There are some titles I've already created. So there are some quizzes which I have edited, some which I have created for my classroom. So it is easy for me to choose if I'm going to repeat the same topic, or if I want to create some new topic, I can always create at any point of time. Okay. This is like a sample quiz which created for an FTP. Here, if I want to play this, I can give start and it will create a game pin which I have to share with the students. So this is how it works. Fine. And there are also interesting aspects like they have Disney, Marvel, Minecraft, which many school students would be interested. Okay, and so they have theme-based quizzes which you can use based on your syllabus, based on the content. You can use it for your classroom purposes. Some of them are very, very interesting. Even as teachers, we would love to play these kind of quizzes, which is more colorful and which is more interesting and appealing. So you can try from these as well. Okay, so that's all about Kahoot. If any specific questions you have, you can always leave a message in the comment box. Thank you so much.